State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World, SOFI report. This report presents the estimates of the extent of hunger, food insecurity and malnutrition in the world. So this reports present the picture of how hunger, malnutrition is prevalent in the world, and this report is prepared by, from the prelims point of view, Food and Agricultural Organization, International Fund for Agricultural Development, United Nations Children's Fund, World Food Program and World Health Organization, and it is an annual publication. So what does this report informs us upon? It tells us about the progress we have made towards ending the hunger, how much food security we have achieved, how much nutrition we have improved, and it gives in-depth analysis on the key challenges for achieving these goals, that these are the challenges, how we can achieve these goals. So two measures for food insecurity. SOFI report presents two key measures for food insecurity. First of all, POU, prevalence of undernourishment. It focuses on estimating the proportion of population facing chronic deficiency of calories, that from the very far away time, that from the chronic, they have the chronic nourishment. And second is prevalence of moderate and severe food insecurity, PMSFI. It makes the comprehensive measure on the lack of access to adequate and nutritious food. So both these reports are both these indicators are globally accepted indicators of progress towards the SDGs. So what is the prevalence of undernourishment estimates? That these estimates of POU are based on food balance sheets and national surveys of consumptions. So obviously these mostly consumption surveys are infrequent. First of all, they are not frequent, and second, they are based on the outdated data. So this does not give a good picture. So second, PMSFI estimates on this is based on annual surveys that collect information on the food insecurities. So PMSFI uses the food insecurity experience scale, which is developed by FAO. So till now, from the prelims point of view, you have to remember who prepares the FAO SOFI report, what is the purpose behind this report, what two measures are there in this report, POU and PMFSI, and India with respect to SOFI report. So SOFI and India. India does not conduct official FIA surveys or neither accepts the estimates based on the FAO GW surveys. Although these surveys are conducted in India, but they are not released. FIES, Food Insecurity Experience Surveys. These are the surveys which are based upon the direct experience. Let's say questionnaire, I ask the question from the people and they give direct responses. So this is a good measure to get the information, but India does not accept these surveys.